Hi, I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And today is the final Super Bowl and we're going to make wonton soup in under 3 minutes, probably under 2 minutes. So all you'll need is turn on your stovetop and pour in a whole box of the organic chicken broth that I got at Trader Joe's. This soup tastes so authentic. I make it all the time. It will serve 4. And what I do is I count out 8 wontons and I put them in the soup. If you want 3 per person, feel free to add 3. But on my website, which is www.mindens.com, the nutritional information will be on 2 wontons per person. And what I use are these chicken pot stickers that you can get in the freezer section at Trader Joe's. And if you buy them the day before, you can defrost them in your refrigerator, or if you want, you could just defrost about 8 in the microwave, and then you can save the rest for an appetizer. Nothing goes to waste. If you check out our Instagram page, which is Minden's, on Wednesdays, I give you What's in the Fridge Wednesday to give you ideas with what you can use with your leftovers. So here are 8 pot stickers. Then I just used some sliced mushrooms and about 3 scallions. Wonton soup in under 2 minutes. Thank you so much for our final Super Bowl. Stay tuned next week when we bring you a new recipe. Catch us on YouTube every Monday. Subscribe. All you have to do is hit the button down below. And thank you for joining us.